Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakya uba wailat Miki Shila ha kesni thok dieng kalai photarik ukala lingkon Hajar Punriu habakren chikila pathai kubor hadien ke jingelang ha kabai dei ba ke jingeki kinong tre Asha uloong ba ki Kynrum Kynram lala ban Pynbeit no balasange no ke jingeki uba wailat uloong ba ke jingdawa kinong tre Asha menta lala ban Pynbeit ki jinge Henry kidang dan Tang Khyndiat ki Jingpynbeit bat kataru kadei na ka Liang ka Jong ki Jong ka sarkar habakali par ha kabay day ba ka Jingpynbeit kam yaki kali 108 uloong bana ka Liang katanat kala persyang banwa di consultant ban puli benya banwa di kilat kilinti kumnu ban Pynbeit kam yaka kali ket nong pang 108
solve the issue. I don't know whether you have got the report or not, because they have already called off their strike, because we already resolved the issues. And with 108 we are still awaiting. We have put some consultant to do some studies which is the best possible way to come up where we can like to run this 108. So we are waiting for that report.
Pending payments to them for start.
For that I have not received any. The file is yet to come to me. So definitely whatever it's possible in our hands, so definitely we'll look after it.
Because Ashas you have already cleared.
We already cleared. There are some issue pending, not from the department, but with them. So, but they do realize that, and then they have called off the strike. Once again, I'll just like to reiterate myself that it is already called off. It's already clear. This is clear also after the meeting with MD only. Just I think yesterday or day before, something like that. But as per my knowledge, it's already the Asha already called off the strike, and like I said, there are some issue, but it's not with the government, but it is from their part.